Connie Hurtado here. Thanks for joining me today. I just wanted to touch a little bit on why do people keep telling me to get no's? Well, not me personally, but when you enter the internet marketing industry, sometimes people, they go about, oh, the more no's you get, the more yeses you're gonna get. Why is that? It seems so controversial, right? The more no's you get, the more practice you're getting, and the more practice on strategies, on the type of people you are talking to, and the type of people that you want to talk to. So it kind of is breaking down in the kind of person that you are and the way you talk to others as well. So that's going to help you grow your business, and that's why people tell you to get more no's, because when you shoot for no's, not only are you practicing for your strategies, you are also preparing yourself for a no, and it's less of a letdown, so you don't get demotivated. Okay, the one thing that I notice people doing is they quit right away because they got too many no's. Well, the more practice you get and the more no's you get, the less you're going to be tempted to quit, because you're going to be immune to that. Okay, you're going to stay positive. You're going to say, you know what, I know I'm going to get 20 no's today, but somewhere in there I'm going to get a yes. And then you don't quit because you keep going, and that's exactly what happens. I know that's what happened to me at the beginning of when I started in the industry. I kept getting no's, 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 and I didn't know what I was doing wrong until I realized, well, you know, it's not the people that are saying no, it's that they're saying no to the fact that I'm not educated in the service that I'm offering. So this is what I have to do. So that's the reason why I got no's. Your reason could be different, but that's why you want to shoot for those no's, because then you kind of learn in how you're talking to people and exactly which way you should be talking to people. So that was just a little tip for today. Don't forget to visit me on my blog, www.wealthychangeswithconniehurtado.com, and I will talk to you later. As always, to your success.